This tutorial will cover the process of creating donations within Nonprofit Easy. These configured donations are referred to as donation buckets so as to help differentiate them from individual donations made by contacts to your organization. To create a donation bucket, hover on Donation Management in the main navigation bar and click Configure Donations. The Donation Management screen will appear. Click the Add button located on the right-hand side of the screen. The Add Edit Donation screen will appear. Nonprofit Easy provides several kinds of donations you can create, known as donation type. The open donation type is used for donations with no fixed value and will likely be used for the majority of donations. The fixed donation type is used for donations with a fixed value, allowing you to create sponsorship levels or levels of donation. The in-kind donation type is used for goods and services as opposed to direct monetary donations. The in-kind auction donation type is used for goods and services that have been donated for the use in an auction. The adopt donation type is used for adoption programs and allows you to specify the details of that program. Select one of the donation types from the Donation Type drop-down menu. Depending on your selection, a slightly different screen will appear. Enter a name for this donation. The name should be descriptive enough so that it will be clear to what this donation bucket refers. Select a program or campaign from the drop-down menu if you want this donation associated with that program or campaign. Depending upon how you configured the program or campaign, the restricted to this program campaign only field may or may not be active. If it is active, you can select yes to restrict donations entered under this donation bucket to the selected program or campaign. Select no to leave them unrestricted. If you want to restrict all donations entered under this donation bucket to one event, select the event name from the event name field. You may enter the amount of the donation in the amount field, which is only required for fixed donations. In-kind and in-kind auction donations will not include an amount field, but you may provide information about the in-kind donation in the description field. Open donations will include an optional field to enter the minimum donation amount for the donation. For adoption donation types, you'll complete an additional section called Secondary Values. This is where you'll enter the details about your adoption program. For open and fixed donations, you can specify what percentage of this donation is tax deductible in the tax deductible field. The Display in Public Site field only applies if your donation web pages are integrated with Nonprofit Easy. To activate this donation in Nonprofit Easy, click the Make Active checkbox. Click Save and Add New to add additional donation buckets, or click Save and Close to return to the Donation Management screen. Once you've returned to the Configuration Management screen, hover over the name of any donation bucket you have configured. On the left, you will notice two icons have appeared: Edit and Delete. To edit the donation bucket, click on the Edit button, which will once again bring up the Add Edit Donation screen. To delete the donation bucket, click on Delete. You can set the donation bucket to active or inactive by clicking on the button associated to the donation bucket in the status column on the right. This concludes the tutorial on creating donation buckets in Nonprofit Easy.